Welcome, in front of me is ACER Swift Go, and in this video I will show you how to update drivers on this laptop. So if you're just beginning with your journey with this laptop, of course you have to start with the essential updates, including your drivers. And to do that, open the start menu right here, then go to settings, then select Windows Update on this list, and check if you have any updates to download and install right here. And if you do, then click download and install all. If you don't have them yet, you can click check for updates in the same place right here, and then once your device detects any updates, click download and install. As you can see, some downloads require restart, so once they are all downloaded and installed, I'm gonna click restart now. Now for the additional updates, go to advanced options, select optional updates, driver updates. As you can see right here, I have 4. Select each one that you need, then click download and install, and then wait until they are downloaded and installed too. Now for the specific drivers for your laptop, you have to use the ACER Sense application that has to be pre-installed on your laptop. So search for it in the search field or in the start menu. Search for ACER Sense, and once you find it, open it. If it's the first time that you open this application, then you'll have to go through the simple installation process. That's basically just selecting preferences for your system, and once you go through it, you can expand either this icon you can see right here, or tap on the 3 lines icon in the left upper corner, and then go to checkup. Okay, no, never mind. So just expand this this list of features. Select live update, and then select check for updates. And once your device finds updates that need to be downloaded and installed on your computer, you can go to details, and then you can download and install each one that you select on this list, or you can just download and install all of them, which I'm gonna do. So select the updates that you need to install and click update, and then the program will begin to download and install your updates. Click start now and wait until the updates are complete. Okay, as you can see in the Windows update section, everything is already updated, so let's just wait for this updates. As it says, do not unplug your charging cable, and do not run any other applications during these updates. Okay, and as you can see, all updates are finished, and now we only have to restart our computer. So click restart now and wait until your device is restarted, so all the changes are applied and your drivers are up to date. Okay, and right now it's all done. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, if it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.